Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a factory reset via settings on Samsung Galaxy S25. Let's begin. So, as you probably know, you can do a hard reset or a total factory reset during inside the recovery mode. However, we will be doing this today the more humane way, let's say. But first we want to make sure that we are actually logged out, of course, if that's what you want to do, because after you log out, after you do a factory reset, you will need to log into your Google account that was basically associated with this phone. And if you want it or not, well, if you want it, you can skip this part. If you don't want it, you can simply remove account remove your all Google accounts, the WhatsApp too, I guess, from your phone. So now, after it's done, and after you want to do it, we can scroll all the way down into General Management, and here we have Reset. As you can see at the bottom, we can see the factory data reset. So now we simply click factory data reset. Oh, that's funny, it still shows us that we are logged in, even though we just logged out. But we don't care, we scroll all the way down and we click reset. We'll have to input our pattern. We click delete all. And now our phone is shutting down and also deleting all his data. And after a few seconds it should boot up again. Probably we'll see, yep, one UI erasing. And now it's booting up again, I guess. If we see an Android logo, then it is just powering itself on, I'm guessing. Yep, it's powered by Android, and we should be seeing the welcome screen in a moment. And here it is. We have our beautiful welcome screen. And thus the hard reset has been successfully completed. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. See you later.